2018 Honda Civic. Honda Civic, practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, navigation system, traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, moonroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, climate control, center armrest, clock, security system, power door locks, power windows, side airbag, fog lights, tachometer, center console. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.